Good morning, one and all. Today in this class, we are going to learn about preparation of aldehydes. Preparation of aldehydes. See, there are some few methods will be there for the preparation of aldehydes, and aldehydes can be prepared through reduction from acyl chlorides, from acyl chloride. Okay, from acyl chloride. When acyl chloride is on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of poison catalyst, that is palladium barium sulfate, to form aldehydes, and this reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction. This reaction is also known as Rosenmund reduction. For example, when acetyl chloride when acetyl chloride when acetyl chloride is on reaction with hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, palladium barium sulfate, okay, which is known as poison catalyst in a controlled condition, we get acetaldehyde. To form acetaldehyde, to form acetaldehyde, HCl, to form acetaldehyde and HCl. Clear? And this reaction is also known as Rosenmund reduction. Next example is when benzoyl when benzoyl chloride when benzoyl chloride is on reaction with the hydrogen is on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, which is known as poison catalyst, to form to form benzoyl, to form benzaldehyde, to form benzaldehyde, to form benzaldehyde, and also it will form HCl. Clear? Next reaction is reaction with nitrites. Reaction with nitrites. Reaction with the nitrites. Nitrites are react with stannous chloride and HCl to form hyamine, which undergoes hydrolysis to form aldehydes. For example, when acetonitrile, for example, when acetonitrile, acetyl nitrile, this is the acetonitrile, when acetonitrile is on reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and HCl. Acetonitrile is on reduction with stannous chloride in the presence of HCl to form acetoamine hydrochloride, to form acetoamine hydrochloride, to form acetoamine hydrochloride. Okay, which further undergoes hydrolysis, which further undergoes hydrolysis to form acetaldehyde, to form acetaldehyde, and ammonium chloride. Clear? This reaction is also known as Stephen reduction. Stephens reduction. Okay, when acetonitrile is on reaction with stannous chloride in the presence of HCl to form acetoamine hydrochloride, which undergoes hydrolysis to form acetaldehyde and ammonium chloride. Clear? Next, these nitriles will selectively can also reduced by the bar H. Okay, these nitriles can selectively reduced by the bar H. What is mean by the bar H? Diisobutyl aluminium hydrate. Diisobutyl aluminium hydrate. For example, when acetonitrile, when acetonitrile is on reduction with Dibal H, that is DIBAL H. This is known as diisobutyl aluminium hydrate. Diisobutyl aluminium hydrate to form imine. To form imine, which further undergoes hydrolysis. Which further undergoes hydrolysis to form acetaldehyde. To form acetaldehyde, and also we get ammonia. Clear? Copy. Next one is reaction with the Grignard reagent. Reaction with the reaction with the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, that is RMGX, is on reaction with hydrogen cyanide to form imine, which undergoes hydrolysis to form aldehydes. To form aldehydes. Okay. Next one is reaction with the Grignard reagent. Okay. Reaction with next one. Next reaction is reaction with the Grignard reagent. For example, when methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide. This is the Grignard reagent is on reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Is on reaction with the hydrogen cyanide. The bond between the carbon and magnesium will be break. The magnesium will carries positive charge and carbon atom will carries negative charge. Here, the bond between the carbon atom and the nitrogen atom will be break. The nitrogen atom will carries negative charge. Carbon atom will carry positive charge. The opposite charges will make bonds. For example, see here, CH3, CH, okay, and double bond N, that is double bond N. N is bonded with magnesium bromide. See here, magnesium bromide. Clear? This methyl magnesium bromide is on reaction with the hydrogen cyanide to form a compound which further undergoes which further okay, which further undergoes hydrolysis which further undergoes hydrolysis. See here the bond will be break to form acetaldehyde. To form acetaldehyde and ammonium and magnesium hydroxide bromide. This is acetaldehyde. Clear? Next reaction is reaction with esters. Esters is on reaction with the dibar H, which undergoes hydrolysis to form aldehydes. For example, reaction with esters. Reaction with esters. For example, methyl acetate. For example, methyl acetate. When methyl acetate is on reduction with dibar H, with dibar H, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydrate, which undergoes hydrolysis, which undergoes hydrolysis to form acetaldehyde, to form acetaldehyde and methanol, and to form acetaldehyde and methanol. Clear?